Well, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So we've got some things going on here at our own home. Well, we've been here right at 2 years, and we've had an issue here over the past several months, twice. So God forbid that any of you out there in America has ever had a house to burn down or a problem concerning a dishwasher. But I want to talk through this with you on our dishwasher. Just recently had some of the roller wheels on the bottom of the bottom tray to come off and fall down into the dishwasher and melt around the element, and it's a mess. Stunk the house up with plastic. I mean, just as well set fire to it the way that it smells. We have to, do a lot of work. I need to get some people over for the HVAC and get the ducts cleaned out, just stuff like that done, just get the smell out of the house. But GE and the people we bought it from, I don't know that they even really care. Some of the feedback I've gotten has been kind of questionable. They hadn't been real forthright and honest, in my opinion, like, hey, we really care. Look, let's see what we can do to keep from burning your house down. No, every time I say, the wheels came off of the bottom tray. They fell down and melted the element. Oh, that's strange. We've never heard of that happening before. Wow, this is the first time. Well, I do some research. I call some other appliance stores, and guess what? This is a problem. So then I got online and researched a little bit and found out that, yeah, this is a problem. So I sent an article to the guy we bought this from, and then all of a sudden, so the guy that we bought it from, I call him and talking to him about the issue. And it's like, oh, that article that you sent me, well, that was AI generated. That's not even true information. So I have to do some more research and call some other companies. Come to find out it is an issue. It is a problem. I hate the way people try to dismiss a real issue and not help you deal with it. I understand liability and all that. Believe me, I've got things going on in my lifetime. You have liability, right? It's real. So try to do your part. When you're at fault, try to do your part. Do all that you can. No, don't try to dodge liability. Oh, that's never happened before. Don't tell me things like that. This is a General Electric dishwasher. This one has given us serious issues. And so we're going to open it up and let's just see what the issue is here. So on the daily, we use this dishwasher every day. So as you're using it, the bottom tray, you open the door and you just slide it out, right? You put your dishes in there, do what you need to do, and then you just simply slide it back in. No problem, right? Well, what's happening with this dishwasher, and it's happened twice, is these rollers here that it rolls on, these things, well, it's a cheap design in my opinion. So all it takes is it's just real easy to just bump right off and on. So that's just, well, they come off easy. So what I've had on this one is, as you load it, unload it, this is what it does. And then I can see what's wrong with this one already. See, this roller's broke. It's broken. See that? Now, how that happens, I don't know. Let's just flip it over. We've got rollers on this side too. See how easy they come off. That one came off with a little, and then this one. So this one right here, here's another one on the back side here. So you just roll it in and out. So as you're rolling it out, anything can just bump that. Look at that. That's totally clipped in. Totally clipped in, look. So you roll it in. On this side, it would be rolling it out. So you're going to try to roll this thing out, and as it's rolling out, it bumps something, it comes off. And then you try to push it back in, it comes off along the way back here. And then you turn the dishwasher on, and this is what you end up with. You end up with a roller like this melted to the bottom element. Now I've got to get that off of there. And G's supposed to be sending me another roller so that I can just I suppose, pop it back. Of course, that one's broken off, so that one's no good. This one, let's see how it'll go on there. So this one is a easy, just, here we go. Boy, that's just great. Great product here. I tell you, GE just knocking it out of the park on this. And then this one seems to go on tighter than the others, but look at that. So no wonder twice we've had this particular model, the roller just to come off. When you pull it in and out, there you go, every one of them just came off. I mean, this is ridiculous. And they try to act like, oh, no worries here, nothing to see here. Yeah, that's the first time that has ever happened. This doesn't happen with those. Oh, Jamie, you're just, you know, oh, been a difficult customer, man. So there you go. So I'm frustrated with two things: the manufacturer and the people I bought it from. Because every appliance I've ever bought, it's always a user problem, and I get so sick of that. So here we are having to deal with this crap. Never have a problem with the top trays. It's always the bottom, and this is twice. They're supposed to be sending me another one from the manufacturer. We'll see how that works. And we'll see if they design these differently. So if any of you out there has ever had any problem with a dishwasher, let me know. Because surely we're not the only ones with this magical issue. Well, enough of the frustration. But this is what I have for today. And I just wanted to bring some awareness to this, just to see that, you know, is it just me? I got to get that off of there. So, and I asked them to send me out a maintenance guy so I could do something with this. I mean, it's their product. Oh yeah, they sent me somebody at my expense. Yeah, they'll help replace stuff at my expense. But this, to me, it's a total liability issue on GE. And on the people I bought it from. If they're going to represent this company and sell this kind of crap, they need to stand behind it. All right, well, so that's what I've got for this lovely day concerning this type of dishwasher. If you've had good experience or you know how to fix this problem, that GE's not giving me some real solutions for it, they just send me replacement, the same replacement parts, just let me know. Willing to try about anything. I guess step 2 would be buy a different one, buy a new one. So there you go. All right, I hope you folks have better luck with your appliances than we are. So that's the end of that.